Agrivoltaic plants are more and more the subject on the table. Using farmland to produce energy doesn't make sense, so integrating the two seems logical and the best choice to have both worlds happy. When designing an agrivoltaic project, have in mind that it will present its own challenges. It will have a higher soiling rate due to the dust, due to the chemicals, other farms around, and that will put pressure on your panels and will make them become dirtier much quicker. The height of the installation, especially if you're talking about greenhouses or covered crops, it's also an issue that you have to deal with, especially during the cleaning. You'll need platforms to clean, you need long poles to reach the panels. Also, usually there isn't much space between rows, so have in mind that when doing the cleaning, that you'll need specialized equipment to do it. Also, the use of detergents can be very good, but have in mind that they need to be safe for the environment, for the plants, and for the animals. Be sure that your supplier has those type of certifications, otherwise you can be causing problems to your crops and to the animals around.